Hey everyone, it's great to see you. I am bringing you another unboxing today with two new conifers from Mr. Maple. These are both considered rare dwarf conifers, and I am very excited to see what they look like. Ooh, this is exciting. Okay. So at first, you might think they look a little similar, but they're both very unique and special in their own way. Let me just put these right here and move. Yes, Pickle has found the box already. So let's take a look at this conifer first. Isn't that adorable? So notice that the needles of this conifer are curly. So this actually is called mini twists, which I think is just an adorable name. It's like it has a perm. It looks really cute. So let me tell you about mini twists here. This is a rare dwarf curly white pine. It actually feels fairly soft to touch. And both of these conifers are hardy zones 3 to 8. So they can take a lot of cold. And that's really what I'm looking for in these two. I want to keep them in pots outside throughout the winter, and here we are zone 6B to 7. If they're hardy down to zone 3, I know that they're going to be okay even if it gets really cold around the planters. So Mini Twist is a real dense little pine here with all of these twisting needles that are so neat. It does grow into sort of a pyramidal form, but it's going to get to be about 5 feet in 10 years. So on the small side here, and Pickle is already introducing you to our other conifer. This conifer is called Biltmore Blue, and it is a rare dwarf white pine. So notice that they have this similar color. When I feel their needles, very similar in texture. We just have a curly one, and these needles are all straight. So the Biltmore Blue was actually discovered at the Biltmore Mansion, North Carolina. It was growing as a broom on a larger pine like this, and they saw it up there. And so when a broom grows on a larger conifer, it looks like a little mini tree that sort of grows on one of the branches. And they actually brought in somebody who was a sharpshooter to use a rifle and shoot part of the little tree down so they could take cuttings and then propagate it. So what a cool story here. And Biltmore Blue is a perfect name because here it was discovered at the Biltmore Mansion. So let's see here. It also says that it's going to be pretty dense and it's very tasty to cats. No, don't eat it, darling. It's going to get to be about 3 to 4 feet tall in 10 years. So, you know, you're talking this really is staying quite small, and they're just adorable. I think in my planters, these are going to be so cute and just give a beautiful color and a beautiful texture, and I am so excited about these. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.